5th chapter. Physiology. Fingerprints, unique to each individual. 1,400 years ago nobody knew that each one of us has unique fingerprints, however this was portrayed in the Quran. We all have fingerprints, however they are unique, even identical twins have different fingerprints. This was known recently, however this was portrayed in the Quran 1,400 years before it was discovered. The Quran says that on Resurrection Day Allah will recreate humans with all details, even their fingertips. Today we know that those fingertips contain fingerprints which are unique to each individual. Quran says in Surah Al-Qiyamah 75-4. Yes, indeed, we are able to reconstruct his fingertips. On Resurrection Day Allah will reconstruct our bodies to the smallest detail, even our fingertips. How could an illiterate man who lived 1,400 years ago have known that fingertips have something unique?